Hi, welcome to another late night stocks video. Today our focus is Novavax again. The company shows mixed performance in general. They developed a first-class COVID-19 vaccine which can compete with mRNA-based ones, but struggles to catch up their promises about the approval processes. The delays destroy investor trust, and on the other hand, a lot of people even didn't get the first shot in many countries. The vaccine race isn't over. Actually, it has just started and seems to it will continue until 2024 so far. Please don't forget to check our vaccine playlist in order to get latest news about the COVID-19 vaccine makers. Early birds such as Moderna and BioNTech targeted developed countries and sold multi-billion doses, but how about the rest of the world? The market is huge and we need cheap, safe vaccines with high efficacies. They also should be manufactured easily in other manufacturing facilities. We don't have enough mRNA manufacturing know-how and idle fabrics in the world, but for traditional vaccine technologies, yes. Novavax COVID-19 vaccine is the great weapon to end the pandemic. If you are confused whether to buy more or sell your shares, don't miss the video and watch till the end. Before we start, please give a like to support us and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get in the video. Novavax has done a good job for the vaccine development. This was the hardest part to get success in the vaccine market. The latest clinical trial data for the vaccine showed 90% overall efficacy against early variants such as UK variant after demonstrating 96% efficacy against the original strain. The efficacy against Delta variant isn't well known and can play an important role for the vaccine success. According to its overall performance, it is very likely to also have high efficacy against the Delta variant. Among several wonderful options, Novavax combines easy manufacturing with high efficacy and lower side effects. For the moment, probably it's the best COVID-19 vaccine we have. The vaccine is protein-based and seems to work well against the variants. Its safety profile and its use of traditional vaccine technology make it a promising alternative to the other COVID-19 vaccine. A lot of people are skeptical about the mRNA technology. I can understand that, and they have a right to get safe vaccines with the high efficacy. Also, another pharma company, Sanofi, is developing a protein-based COVID-19 vaccine. Let's look at the 2021 milestones. On the 5th August, the company is going to announce Q2 earnings. Q2 earnings is important in order to get more information about COVID-19 vaccine process, what is their plan and which problems they are facing, when and where the vaccine is going to get approved, partnership and production capacity of the vaccine, 2021 delivery calendar will be highlights of the Q2 earnings. Another important point is the pipeline projects. The company has completed trial for its flu vaccine NanoFlu but didn't get the approval. The influenza vaccine market isn't growing because of the social distance regulations. Maybe after reopening, they can apply for the approval. The RSV vaccine is waiting for the approval and marketing after that. Their main focus is probably not the pipeline projects, but good to know how they are going. From the financial point of view, COVID-19 vaccine will be blockbuster and this is a historical opportunity for the company. Another important point is the cash position. The company isn't profitable and they don't have a marketed product. They had 2 billion cash and shouldn't be changed dramatically in Q2. Another important point is the major approvals. FDA in USA, TGA in Australia, India, South Korea and UK are the target markets so far. The FDA approval is very important for the image of the vaccine. If the corona cases rise in the US, the government can even add the vaccine to the vaccination program again and can be used as a booster. It will also help to get faster approvals all around the world. Australia expects data for the vaccine approval from the company in September. India may approve earlier, but it's still unclear. I suppose they will approve it after the FDA approval. The rest will follow them in upcoming months. When we look at the historical S&P 500 index, we can see statistical behavior of investors. August is a great month for the stock market in general. In the end of July, after the earnings season, investors take their profits or close their positions. Another factor is maybe the holidays and there isn't enough demand, therefore prices fall slightly. That's why there is a famous saying, sell in May and go away, but remember to come back in September. You should keep your eyes on your portfolio or even secure your gains. So it's time to talk about the future. In short term, I mean less than a month, the COVID-19 vaccine is unlikely to get an approval. Maybe India can approve that, but Novavax had most of the time delays and the chance is less in my opinion. As I previously mentioned, August isn't a bullish month historically. Long story short, this month is unpredictable and risky for short-term investors. In the midterm, until the end of the year, it can be a roller coaster ride. When we look at the chart, the stock price seems to have stabilized at $180. We are now below the 50 and 100-day moving averages and the stock price headed to 200-day moving average. In the short term, if the S&P and Nasdaq indexes fall in August, it will probably hit it. I'm pretty sure that the vaccine is going to be approved in multiple countries before end of the year. We can face some manufacturing and logistic problems, but they will eventually be solved. That's why investors should hold their shares until end of the year. Long term, it is a buy because the vaccine works well against the variants, the company is small and their pipeline projects are promising. Coronavirus will stay with us maybe forever. In order to end the pandemic, we need cheap, safe and easily producible vaccines in the world. Novavax fulfills all the requirements to make the world safe against the coronavirus. If the company can get approval and the vaccine be produced 150 million per month till the end of the year, we can expect 450 million doses to be produced this year. If one shot costs $10, the company can earn up to $4.5 billion only this year. Let's get the net profit margin 40%, then we can expect $1.8 billion net profit. P ratio can be volatile, but if we get 15, we reach $27 billion market cap till end of the year. The company has at least 2x potential if they can deliver the doses from the beginning of October. The stock price can hit $365 also this year. These numbers are based on our opinions. Please do also your own research. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please give a like to support us and don't forget to subscribe.